Did you know that by 2030, over 50% of real estate transactions are projected to be fully digital with AI-driven valuations and blockchain contracts? The future of real estate is already here, and if you're not ready to adapt, you might get left behind. Today, we're diving into the real estate revolution, how technology is reshaping the way we buy, sell, and invest in properties. From AI-powered market insights to virtual reality property tours, the real estate industry is transforming at a pace like never before. This isn't just about having better tools, it's about rethinking what's possible and how you can profit from these changes. And if you're looking to secure your financial future in a world that's evolving fast, there's no better time to start. For decades, the real estate market has been plagued by inefficiencies. Buyers face complicated processes, sellers struggle with transparency, and investors often feel like they're left in the dark. But what if there was a way to cut through all that? Imagine being able to buy a property with the click of a button. No intermediaries, no hidden fees, just you and a blockchain-secured transaction. That's the reality we're moving towards, but many people still don't know how to navigate these changes. So, how exactly is technology transforming real estate? The industry is undergoing a massive shift, driven by innovative technologies that are reshaping how we buy, sell, and invest in properties. Let's look at a few cutting-edge trends that are making waves in the real estate sector.
Virtual reality property tours. View properties from across the globe without leaving your living room. This technology allows potential buyers to explore every nook and cranny of a property in stunning detail. VR is eliminating geographical barriers and making property visits more accessible, saving time and travel costs for both buyers and sellers.
Blockchain smart contracts. Say goodbye to endless paperwork and middlemen. These digital contracts are revolutionizing the way transactions are conducted. Blockchain technology is streamlining transactions, ensuring full transparency, and reducing the risk of fraud by providing a secure, immutable record.
Fractional ownership. Own a slice of high-value properties with fractional investments. This innovative approach allows multiple investors to share ownership of a property. This opens up real estate to a broader audience, making it easier than ever to get started. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time buyer, technology is making real estate more accessible and efficient.
Now let's talk about where you fit into all this. Your financial future is not just a distant dream, it's something you can actively shape starting today. In 2024, we're seeing people struggle with 4 major financial challenges. The cost of living is skyrocketing, and traditional investments aren't keeping up. This means that everyday expenses are becoming harder to manage, and the dream of owning a home seems more distant than ever. Debt is reaching all-time highs, and people feel trapped with no way to pay it down. Credit card bills, student loans, and mortgages are piling up, creating a sense of financial suffocation. Wages are stagnating, making it hard to save and invest. Despite working hard, many find their paychecks just aren't stretching far enough to cover both necessities and savings. Market uncertainty is causing fear and hesitation when it comes to making big financial moves. But these are exactly the problems Exodus Capital's real estate course is designed to address. Here's how. Create new income streams. Learn how to leverage real estate to generate passive income, even with minimal upfront capital. Imagine earning money while you sleep, with properties that pay you month after month. Debt elimination strategies. Use property cash flow to pay down debts faster and build equity. This means you can turn your financial liabilities into assets, reducing your debt burden significantly. Wealth building on any budget. Discover how to start investing with what you have, using creative financing and partnerships. You don't need to be wealthy to start. You just need the right strategies and partners. Understand emerging real estate trends and position yourself ahead of market shifts, ensuring long-term stability. By staying informed and proactive, you can secure a prosperous financial future, no matter the economic climate.
Let's take a look at a real-world success story. Meet Alex. Alex's journey is nothing short of inspiring and shows what determination and the right guidance can achieve. Alex was in his early 30s, stuck in a cycle of debt with no savings. He felt overwhelmed and unsure of how to break free from his financial struggles. After joining our real estate course, he learned how to purchase his first property using creative financing strategies we teach. He dedicated himself to understanding the market and applying the techniques he learned. Within 18 months, Alex went from 0 to 3 cash-flowing rental properties. His hard work and commitment paid off, transforming his financial situation. Now he's generating over $4,000 a month in passive income, enough to leave his 9-to-5 and focus entirely on building his investment portfolio. Alex's life has changed dramatically, giving him the freedom to pursue his passions. This isn't a one-off case. Many others have followed similar paths and achieved financial independence. With the right knowledge, you can achieve similar results, no matter where you're starting from. The key is to take that first step and commit to your financial education and growth.
To wrap things up, technology is revolutionizing real estate in ways we never thought possible. AI, blockchain, and digital platforms are breaking down barriers, making it easier for everyday people to get involved and succeed. But it's not just about having access to these tools, it's about knowing how to use them effectively. That's where we come in. Let us know in the comments. What excites you most about the future of real estate? And don't forget to check out our other videos on real estate trends and investing to stay ahead of the curve.